In this tutorial we will basically see how to create a splash screen in a very simple manner. So first of all, let's go to designing page of our splash screen. Here, as I already designed our splash screen, but before that I have added circular image view. This is the dependency. You can add and sync your project and add a circular image view here, and I have given constraint it to the top of the parent, constraint left, constraint right, and constraint bottom. Height is 200 dp, width and 200 dp. These all things are really very basic. Hope that you already know that. And I've already added a text field. It is constraint top to the bottom of the image, and left constraint is constraint to left of the image. So these are basic things. Hope you already know that. So let's move into the splash screen main page. Okay, so here we will first of all we will provide animation. Here we will provide a splash screen also with the animation. And I have updated my Android Studio, so there is little bit of problem. I am not able to get the ID of respected element from XML, so I am adding this line. Hope you may not face this kind of problem, so do not import this plugin. I'm facing that problem, that is why I'm adding this plugin here. So now I'm getting the ID. imageView.animate, not apply, duration. This duration is 1000 milliseconds, it means 1 second. It will rotate for 1 second. RotationYBy, it will take float value 360, it will rotate 360, that is why I have added 360, and F, it will take float value. Dot start animating, and actually I'm giving a twisting effect here. Okay, so image view, and after that text view, add is text view. Okay, let me copy this text view. I will change the ID here. That's it. Add minus here so that it can rotate from right to left, and image view will rotate from image view rotate from right to left, and text view will rotate from left to right by adding this minus. So it will provide a twisting effect to our splash screen. Now our main work is here. Main functionalities for our splash screen. First of all, we will type a handler which will handle our delay. Sorry for that. Dot post delay. It will make our screen delay. Curly braces. Now here we will create an intent. This activity. Hey, I'm assuming that you already know about intent and all these things. Okay, so these are basic things. MainActivity, class.java. $3,000 milliseconds, that means 3 seconds. Your splash screen will be solved for 3 seconds. Yeah. Let's add here start activity. Okay, but before that we have to make some changes in the manifest file. As you see, our first screen is main activity, so that is, but I want my splash screen to be my first uh, activity. So copy this intent filter into this splash screen. That's it. There is some work to do in splash screen, so not run right now. There is some, yeah, some code is missing here. We need to add start activity here and finish also, so that we can not move back to our splash screen after going into our main activity. So let's run the app. As you can say that our app is running, but in a splash screen you can see a top bar, so it is not acceptable, it is not looking good. So we need to replace that. So for that, let's come back again into manifest file and add add a single line here, that will be theme equal to no action bar. Okay, that's it. So we will make our app to run again and let's see the effect. Yes, as you can see that the top bar has gone and our splash screen is looking more beautiful.